Today I'll explain you about the moment generating function, that why do we need moment generating function or how it's helpful for us. So suppose I have to find the mean of any distribution. Let's say if I have to find the mean of exponential distribution. So I can simply apply this formula 0 to infinity x and then fx dx. Okay. Here this fx is the PDF of the exponential distribution. PDF of exponential distribution is this: lambda e की power minus lambda x, where x is greater than 0. So if I apply this formula, so I can find the moment and I will get mean as 1 by lambda. So the question arises is, when we have this technique, so why do we need the moment generating function? So what happens is, suppose I have to find the, let's say I have to find the ex square, or I have to find, let's say I have to find ex cube or ex raised to power 4. So in that situation, the integration will become very complicated and very time consuming. So in that case, we have been given this technique of the moment generating function, which saves our time and makes our work easy. So let me show you how to find the moment generating function of the exponential distribution. So it's denoted by mxt. Moment generating function is denoted by mxt. Okay, and its formula is e, this exponential raised to power t x, where x at this moment x is our variable. I'll show you that how this will be applicable. So we know that we know that e raised to power x, ex is equal to x and fx. So in the same way, e raised to power etx will be etx fx, and this is dx. Now this fx will be the PDF of exponential distribution. So we will integrate it. We will integrate like this: 0 to infinity etx lambda raised to power minus lambda x. Okay, so lambda is the constant, so I can take the lambda outside and I can write this expression like this. Like this. Because when this expression will be simplified, so it will come back to its original form. So now I show you what happens, that when I integrate this expression, so it will be lambda minus tx minus minus lambda minus t. Okay, and it will be, I will plug the limits, I will plug the values in the x. So now this expression will become 0 because it has the power negative infinity. So when you have power negative infinity, so the expression becomes 0. That means e raised to power minus infinity will become 0. Okay, and here you will have e raised to power 0 because lambda minus t multiplied with 0 will be 0. So e raised to power 0 is 1. So it will be like this. Zero minus 1, which is minus lambda over minus lambda minus t, which is lambda over lambda minus t. So this is the moment generating function of the exponential distribution. mxt is equal to lambda over lambda minus t. Here you must remember that any moment generating function should be a positive function, and this function will be a positive if and only if t is smaller than lambda. That means if my value of t is smaller than lambda, so this function will become a positive function, and our moment generating function should be a positive function. At this moment you don't need to go in that much detail. When you will solve some more questions of a moment generating function, this point that why MGF should be positive, that this will become more clear. Okay. So now moment generating function, if I have to check that whether my calculations are correct or not, so I will plug 0 in place of t, and if that comes to be 1, that means my calculations are correct. So lambda over lambda is equal to 1. So it's coming 1, which means my moment generating function is, or my the expression which I have derived, lambda over lambda minus t, is correct. Now I'll show you that how we can find the moments or mean using this function. So let me show. So I will differentiate this function with respect to t, and I will plug 0, that means in place of t. That means first I will differentiate this lambda over lambda minus t. So for differentiation I can do like this: d by dt lambda minus t raised to power minus 1. Okay, minus 1 lambda minus t minus 2 d by dt lambda minus t, okay, and this lambda minus 1 lambda minus t square minus 1 so it's coming to be lambda over में lambda minus t square. Okay, now if I plug I plug 0 in place of t, so I get lambda over में lambda minus 0. Because I have plugged 0 in place of t, so it will be lambda over में lambda square, which is 1 by lambda, and 1 by lambda is the mean of the exponential distribution. Okay, so this is how we have found the mean of exponential distribution using the moment generating function. Now suppose I have to find the ex square of the moment generating function from using the moment generating function for the exponential distribution. So what I will do, I will again integrate this function with respect to t. Okay, so now if I do m dash dash x t d by dt lambda over lambda minus t square, so it will be lambda over lambda minus t cube. Okay, and here it will come 2 lambda over lambda minus t cube. Okay, and when I plug m dash dash x 0, so I get 2 lambda over my lambda cube, because I have plugged t, I have plugged 0 in place of t, so I get 2 by lambda square, that will be the ex square. Okay, thanks for watching.